Alright, y'all have heard of a redneck car wash. This is our version.
All that water right through my get rid of my stuff. When it's actual, yeah, just go flying forward. Everybody's yeah, they saw us stuck in here, so they just went around.
Get in the back of the truck and go surfing. When it goes through it. It's not doing nothing.
That's getting great.
Oh my god!
Hell no.
You got one foot, Dad.
Wow, that is getting a little hairy. Yeah, I say he got brave.
My dad is
He's
very
getting brave.
Don't do it.
Yeah, he's getting brave. But that's going around. Here you go again.